Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What you're looking at is my Martin 130 China Clipper plans. And these are just crazy plans that I've gotten. These are like the first set of plans that I bought along with the Ford Tri-Motor, and not realizing how big this thing was. I got the plans and now I realize this thing's big. Whoops. A little breezy here, sorry guys. Can I build it? Yes, I can. Do I want to build it? I don't know. Question is, where would I store it? This thing is huge. I believe it's about a 10-foot wingspan, broken up into 3 sections. Okay. This center section here is where the wings join together, but you have these areas right here. Those sections would be removable. I could put electrics on it. It'd be very powerful electrics. I'd have to have a mixer and things like that. Could I do it? Most likely I probably can. For sure. What type of material would I use? I would use, number one, plywood for the bulkheads, laid over with foam board and some stringing to make it very light but very buoyant in the water. So I have to lay out the plans on the floor. On the back side are the bulkheads and the ribs and all the other stuff that's needed to make this aircraft happen. So yeah, it's a big plane. It's a very big plane. I actually worked on one just like this as a model for a friend at a club, not at a club, at a company that I used to work for, Atlantic Models. I'll put a link in the description box below. You can follow them if you'd like. I don't know if they have a YouTube page, but you can go on their Facebook page. And yep, this was, I guess it brought back so many memories that I needed to look and see about building one. I just didn't realize how big it was. I would definitely need to make some more room in the garage for it, because again, it is a big fuselage. So, but I'll chalk this up to another set of plans for one of those. This would be a 1-year build, pretty much. With all the other planes I have, I'd have to get rid of some frames in order to build this in the house, because it would take up the whole wall just to sit still. So, all right, y'all. I just wanted to share these plans with you. Talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out.